Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after the past 24 hours, definitely some updates here need to be made. And that first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 47 cents as that level of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, this would be considered that ideal level of support. Now, before I go any further, remember cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about broad levels, general levels, and then walking you through some questions to ask yourself. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the very first question you need to ask yourself, and we'll just use the number 15 hours. So you're watching this video 15 hours from now, but ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 47 cents? Again, 47 cents being that area of support. If you are answering that the price is still up above it, that's a great sign of strength because that is the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? If the bulls can manage to stay up above 47, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. With that being said, if you are answering the question, well, the price is down below 47, that does not mean the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But the immediate next question that you would need to ask yourself in that situation is, okay, well, where's the price relative to 43? 43 in my mind is the very important must-hold level because in the event the price, if it were to break down below there or worse yet, separate to the downside, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And that's what 43 cents is representing, whether or not the price is making progress, again, making progress being associated with bullishness, or if the price is quote-unquote going back. And that's, what a bearish move would be. But as it stands right now, the price is nicely above 47 cents. So again, just to reiterate, if you are answering the question that the price is below 47, not the end of the world, because that's not a must-hold level. That's more just the ideal level. The must-hold level for the reasons already discussed down there at 43. So if you're answering the question that the price is still up above 43, then perfect. As far as levels of resistance, not going to focus on those right now. Top priority, in my opinion, right now is just starting to build higher bases, which the price is doing a great job of. So just make sure that the price continues to go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, and the overall chart will start to and continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.